Black hole speed moving towards the Earth. Do you know that? This is really shocking, but this is truth. But before we find out that, this is Jash from Health App. If you want to know more latest health facts, tips and news analysis like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Well, yes, black hole speed is moving towards the Earth. According to the news, it says Chandra Orbital X-ray Observatory for the first time tracked how a black hole's stellar mass emits beam of matter dispersed to 60% of the speed of light. Other data showed that part of the substance moved 1.6 times faster than the speed of light. But in fact, the laws of physics were not violated here. Their observations showed that such emission have unexpectedly high energy, writes the Chandra Press Service, citing an article in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. Our observations show that the total internal energy of such emission is at least 10,000 times greater than what the observations in the radio wave range indicate. If this energy does not turn into other type of electromagnetic waves at the time of emission, then most of it is released later as a result of the interaction of the speeding of the black hole with the matter of the interstellar medium. The scientist writes this. Well, scientists distinguish two categories of black holes, which differ from each other in mass. Supermassive black holes are located in the center of galaxies. They are millions or even billions times heavier than the Sun. So-called black hole of stellar mass belong to the second type. They arise as a result of the gravitational collapse of large luminaries. It is very difficult to notice these objects even at a small distance from the Earth, since they emit almost nothing and, unlike supermassive black holes, do not attract distant stars to themselves. Therefore, astronomers usually learn about the existence of black holes of stellar mass only if there is at least one star next to them, the matter of which they constantly steal. As a result, flashes of light appears, according to which scientists calculate such objects. Watching the awakening of the black hole MAXI J1820 plus 070 with Chandra and a number of ground-based radio telescopes, European and American astrophysicists led by professor at Denis Didro University in Paris, Stefan Corbel received the first data on what the leads to. This black hole is located in the constellation Ophiuchus, about 10,000 light years from Earth. It is 10 times heavier than the Sun. Around the MAXI J1820 plus 070, a star rotates in mass with our luminary, whose matter smoothly flows into a black hole. Scientists learned about its existence in November 2018, when several optical telescopes recorded a flash in this part of the sky. Subsequent observations in the radio wave range indicate that this black hole was just beginning to produce jets. Narrow plasma beams disappear to near light speeds and heated to the temperature of millions of Kelvin. This promoted scientists to trace this process using the Chandra X-ray telescope. Spending on such observations for about 6 months, astrophysicists were able to track the path of jets and remove their movement through interstellar space. These records show that emission of the MAXI J1820 plus 070 moves towards the Earth about 1.6 times faster than the speed of light, and the opposite side of the jet was accelerated to 60% of the speed of light. The super light movement of the earthly part of the emissions, as scientists explain, was due to the fact that the matter that the black hole emits moves as fast as the luminosity generated by it. As a result, new portions of X-ray waves constantly overtake the old one, which makes it seem to us that the jet is moving faster than the theory of relativity and other laws of physics allow. In addition, observation of the motion of the jet showed that most of the energy stored inside it is released not in the first moment of the birth of the speed of the black hole, but after it enters the interstellar medium as a result of interaction with its matter. This astronomers suggest may explain why jets slow down rapidly as they move away from both small and supermassive black holes. So this is the research, and this is the study, and this is the outcome of how a black hole speed is moving towards the Earth. And this is I like to inform you about that. So be alert, and I don't know, nothing we can do if it is, but let's hope for the best. Be healthy, be happy always. Remember to stay tuned with this channel. See you later, and thanks for watching.